Understanding the phrase, "we move," a guide to modern English slang. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of English language learning, understanding modern slang phrases. Specifically, we're focusing on the phrase, "we move." This expression has gained popularity in everyday conversations, especially among younger speakers. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it correctly in context. So, let's get started. The phrase, "we move," has its roots in contemporary English slang. It's a way of expressing resilience or determination to continue, even in the face of difficulties or setbacks. The word, "move," here symbolizes progress or moving forward. The phrase is often used in a context where there's been some sort of challenge or disappointment. It carries a sense of optimism and acceptance, essentially meaning, despite what has happened, we will continue on. Subsection 2.1 Examples of usage. In response to minor setbacks, for instance, if someone is late for a meeting due to traffic, they might say, "Well, we move," implying that they'll proceed without getting too upset about it. In social media posts, it's common in captions or comments, especially when someone is sharing an experience of overcoming a challenge or moving on from a disappointment. Subsection 2.2 Cultural context. Understanding the cultural context is crucial. "We move" is often used among younger speakers and in informal settings. It's a part of a more casual and sometimes humorous way of dealing with life's ups and downs. This section can explore similar expressions in other languages, showcasing the universality of the concept. For example, a phrase in Spanish or French that conveys a similar sentiment of resilience and moving forward despite challenges. Subsection 4.1 When to use it. It's best used in informal settings, among friends or on social media. Avoid using it in formal or professional contexts. Subsection 4.2 Tone and body language. The tone is usually light-hearted or resilient. Accompanying body language often includes a shrug or a smile, indicating a casual acceptance of the situation. And that's a wrap on the phrase, "we move." I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this modern slang expression and how it reflects a positive, forward-moving attitude in the face of challenges. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like these add color and cultural context to our conversations. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to practice using "we move" in appropriate situations to sound like a native speaker. Until next time, keep learning and we move.